Hello, today we're analyzing Thermo Fisher stock. Thermo Fisher stock is currently trading at $462.78 level. The current Relative Strength Index, RSI, for TMO stock sits at 68.0. This level is significant because it indicates that the stock is approaching overbought territory, with the key threshold being 70. In practical terms, an RSI above 70 typically suggests that the stock may be experiencing upward momentum that could be unsustainable, potentially leading to a price correction. Conversely, an RSI below 30 indicates oversold conditions, where the stock could be undervalued. With the RSI currently just shy of that overbought threshold, investors should remain cautious as the stock approaches this critical level. It can imply that while there may still be some upward momentum, a reversal could be imminent if buying pressure diminishes. Moving on to the moving averages, the relationship between the current price and the short-term averages reveals a bullish trend. The current price of TMO stock is $462.78, which is above the 5-day moving average at $461.76, the 10-day average at $461.33, and the 20-day average at $457.84. This positioning suggests that the stock is in a strong upward trajectory, as it is consistently trading above these key moving averages. The alignment of the shorter-term averages above the longer-term moving averages also indicates a strong bullish sentiment. If the price continues to rise and these averages also trend upward, it may signal a sustained bullish momentum. However, any significant drop below these averages could indicate a potential shift in momentum and warrant caution among traders. Analyzing the MACD, the MACD line currently stands at 0.866, while the signal line is at 0.129. This positive divergence between the MACD line and the signal line hints at a bullish momentum, as the MACD line being above the signal line is often interpreted as a buy signal. The distance between the two lines also provides insight into the strength of this momentum. A wider gap suggests stronger momentum, while a narrowing gap could indicate a potential reversal or weakening of the current trend. Therefore, the current MACD readings support the notion of a bullish trend, but traders should be vigilant for any signs of convergence between these lines, which could signal a shift in market sentiment. When we examine the Bollinger Bands, the upper band is positioned at $465.77, while the middle band, representing the 20-day simple moving average, is at $457.84, and the lower band is at $449.91. The current price of $462.78 is below the upper band, which suggests that while the stock is experiencing volatility, it has not yet reached the extreme levels often associated with overbought conditions. The width of the bands also indicates the current volatility in the market. Narrower bands typically suggest lower volatility and potential for a price squeeze, while wider bands indicate increased volatility. Given that the price is currently close to the upper band, traders might look for potential pullbacks or consolidations if the price fails to break through this level. Volume analysis shows that the current trading volume stands at 192,452 shares, which is significantly below the average volume of 384,148 shares. This below-average volume could suggest a lack of conviction in the current price movement. When volume is low, it may indicate that the upward movement is not supported by strong buying interest, which could lead to increased volatility or a reversal. A key volume ratio of 0.50x average indicates that market participation is relatively weak compared to historical standards. Traders often look for higher volume to validate price movements, so the current state may warrant caution. If volume begins to increase, it could provide confirmation of the current price trend, whether bullish or bearish. In terms of support and resistance levels, the established support level is at $439.64, while the resistance level is at $485.92. The proximity of the current price to these levels is crucial for technical analysis. If TMO stock approaches the resistance level, it may face selling pressure, and a breakout above this level could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. Conversely, should the stock decline towards the support level, it may find buying interest, but a break below this level could indicate a stronger bearish sentiment. The strength of these levels is also determined by previous price action. If the stock has historically reacted significantly at these levels, they may act as strong psychological barriers for traders. In conclusion, TMO stock presents a mixed but cautiously optimistic outlook based on the current technical indicators. The RSI suggests it is nearing overbought conditions, while the moving averages indicate a prevailing bullish trend. The MACD supports this bullish sentiment, but requires close monitoring for signs of potential reversal. Bollinger Bands show the stock is positioned below the upper band, signifying potential volatility without an overbought condition yet. Low volume raises concerns about the strength of the current trend, requiring traders to approach with caution. The support and resistance levels provide critical areas for potential price reactions, with a break above resistance likely fueling further bullish momentum, while a breach below support could signal a bearish shift. Traders should consider these factors in their risk management strategies and remain prepared for both bullish and bearish scenarios, adapting their plans as the technical landscape evolves. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. For more content, please like and subscribe to our channel.